Hey, it's Iron Locksmith. All right, so we're going to go ahead and unlock this Spark. Make sure I'm grabbing one of my favorite tools, one-handed wedge. Nice plastic. Go ahead and put your airbag in. Go ahead and pump the door a couple times. All you need to do is get enough room to get your tool in. And if the tool doesn't go in, just open it up a little more. I don't like over cranking doors. We got the tool in. And I'll turn around and go ahead and pause the video and remove the camera so you can actually see everything. And here we go. As you notice, this is one of the tools that I made. They do come in your kits, but come on, we're locksmiths, we're resourceful. There we go, got her open. Hey, thanks again for watching Iron Locksmith. Remember, these videos are for training and informational use only, not to be used in any illegal activities. Thanks again for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and leave a comment if you found the video useful, and thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.